most annoying thing of this water setup is the water softener. You have to take it out, take it offline, dump it out, or turn it upside down, dump all the water out, get the resin beads back in there, and then fill it with salt. Make sure not to clump it up at the top, otherwise you get really salty water. Can't just dump it in there all at once. The hope is that it would all dump in around the cone that's in the middle. But you know what they say, hope in one hand. See which one fills up first. I'm only going to do 1 can of salt because I'm sure once we get down to southern Texas after school, the water's going to be all different down there, so I'm going to have to pull everything out anyways. Someone needs to make a filter system for this. A reliable filter system. Alright, so this is heavy. As you can see, this salt clumped up. So, I get to beat on it a little bit, I guess. Looks fun. Really, it isn't. So, packs all the resin down, plus the salt. It's decent. Decent, as in the kids would say. And now we flush a little bit. BRB. So I'll probably flush it for 10 to 15 minutes. now we get to throw it back inside and put it online. Yeah, fun. Nice and heavy. So now, once it's all dried out in here, push it back into its spot, and there's a in and out. I got quick connects on it to make it easy. So there's the outside. And then the in port, whatever you want to call it. And it's all installed. Got the filter set up there. Goes up to the softener. I run the hose up around the ceiling and down along the wall over here, so I don't have to run it over with the generator or set the Starlink on it or any of that. So that's pretty simple. Hose. Tuck it out of the way around here. As much as I love clutter, it doesn't love me. So now I got the hose all wound up. Comes in through that little water port, obviously, under the rig. Quick connect. I did a 90-degree elbow on there, so there's not a ton of pressure with the hose pulling side like down, because that's bad. That's how things break. Negative pressure is not good. Yeah. Show you the Nautilus side because that's my enemy. I have to reroute all this, but got the black tank flush with a quick connect, the hose with quick connects and shutoffs to shut that. All my black tank crap storage covered in fiberglass from the factory. Quick connect here with the little foot-long 18-inch hose, whatever it is. And then I put 90-degree brackets or elbows with shut-off valves on them, because, well, let's just say these Nautilus systems are crap. And trying to fix a leak back there. Gotta figure that out at some point. That zoo. Yeah. Oh, and then the regulator's over on the spigot. But on the plus side, changed up the water a little. Last minute, goes behind the Nautilus and then comes out right in front of the water softener. Gives me a little less problem rolling it over with the generator if I ever move it. setting stuff on it. So that's fun. On to the next adventure.